Hi, welcome to phase 3 video 5. So far we learned Python basics, how to work with data, what machine learning is, and how to choose between regression and classification. In this video we will bring everything together. We will build our first end-to-end machine learning model. This is not about performance or perfection. This is about understanding the complete workflow. So let's move on. So we will build our first ML model. So here is the workflow. End to end means starting from raw data and ending with a working prediction. In real projects, this is exactly how ML works happens. So what we will do, first we will load data. Second, understand data. Third, choose problem type. Fourth, prepare features. Fifth, train models. Sixth, make prediction. And seventh, reflect on result. Okay, so let's move from understanding to building. So what I'll do, I'll import libraries. So import pandas sbd from scalearn dot model underscore selection import train underscore test underscore split split from scikit-learn dot linear underscore model import linear regression WSION. So we are using simple tools. Let's focus on the workflow, not the library name. So we will run it. Now let's move on and create a simple data set. For that, data equals to HOURS STUDIET studied and will pass value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and exam underscore score, and we will pass value 30 35 45 50 60 70 75 85 and df equals to pd dot data frame, and we will pass value data and df. So let me run it. Alright, so this data set represents a real world situation. More study hours usually lead to better score. Now let's understand the data. So before building a model, always look at your data. So to understand data, we'll type df dot describe describe. Let's run it. So this helps us to understand range and pattern. That this is what you can see here on the screen. Now what we will do, we will choose ML problem type. What is the output? Exam score is a number. So this is a regression problem. The output decide the ML problem. So define feature. Let's define feature and target. So for that I'll do xdf and I will pass so urs underscore studiet and y is to df and exam underscore score. All right, so x is the input feature here that we have defined, and y is the output we want to predict here. Now let's move on and split data. So for that, x underscore train comma x underscore train comma x underscore test comma y underscore train comma y underscore test equals to train underscore test underscore split and x comma y comma test underscore size equals to 0.2 comma random underscore state equals to 42. So we don't train and test on same data. This help us check if the model generalize. So now let's train the model. So for that, what we will do, model equals to linear linear regression regression linear regression and model dot fit then x underscore train comma y underscore train, and let's run it. Okay, fitted. So this is the training step. The model is learning pattern from data. Now what we will do, we will make predictions. So for that, new underscore data equals to pd dot data frame, and what we will do, we will pass hours underscore studiet and we will pass value 5 and we will close it. Then model dot predict predict and here we will pass new underscore data. Let's run it. All right, so we got the value. So this is a prediction, the one that you can see here. This is prediction based on past data. The model estimate the score. Pause here. Is this prediction perfect? No, but this is reasonable. Machine learning is about approximation, not certainty. So let's check model performance. So for that, what we will do, model dot score then x underscore test comma y underscore test. Let's run it. Okay, so this gives a basic performance score. This is a basic performance. We will learn better evaluation method later. So what we achieved, we build a complete ML pipeline from data to prediction. This is the core of machine learning. So let's understand the common beginner mistakes. So the common beginner mistakes are jumping to complex models, ignoring data understanding, expecting perfect predictions, and skipping evaluations. So these are some of the common mistakes which should be avoided. Well, so summary is end-to-end ML means understanding every step. Data matters more than algorithms. Simple model teach strong foundations. This workflow scales to real projects. In the next video, we will improve models. We will learn evaluation metrics. Then we will move on towards real world data sets. This is how professional ML skills grow. If you understood this video, you are no longer too beginner. You have built your first machine learning model. Go slow, practice, confidence will grow. Thank you.